Ever recovered from a cold, but the cough just refuses to leave? Most people think a cough is just a symptom, but sometimes the cough becomes the problem itself. When your throat gets irritated from a cold, flu, or allergy, special nerves inside your airways become extra sensitive. Every cough triggers those nerves again, and each cough causes tiny amounts of inflammation. That inflammation makes the nerves even more sensitive. So now even cold air, talking, laughing, or a small tickle can trigger another cough. It's like your throat's alarm system gets stuck in the ON position. The original illness may be gone, but the alarm keeps ringing. That's why some coughs can last for weeks after you've already recovered.